Want to instantly connect with other realtors and supercharge your listings? First, log into your Kvcore account. Once you're in, navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Smart Campaigns. This is where you'll craft your email campaign. On the Smart Campaigns page, look for the Create Campaign button. It's usually in the upper right-hand corner. Click on that to start building your bulk email. You will be brought to the campaign creation wizard. Choose email as your campaign type. This specifies that you're creating an email campaign. Now, for the magic. You'll see a section labeled Send to or similar. This is where you define your target audience. Use the filter options to specifically select agent or realtor as the recipient type. This ensures your email only goes to other agents. Next, craft your email. Kvcore's email editor lets you design a professional and engaging email. Promote your listings with stunning photos, compelling descriptions, and a clear call to action. Finally, review your email one last time and then hit send or schedule it for later. Kvcore will handle the rest, delivering your message to your targeted list of real estate agents. Now you're ready to expand your network.